boys and girls, are you? Yeah. We're going to start with our first song, I Love My Mom. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
I love my mom. I love my mom. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Mommy, her for hugging. Mommy, her for kissing. I love you. Yes, I do.
Good job, okay, you ready for song number 2, Cookies and Treats?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I love my mom, yes, sirree. She is very good to me. She makes me cookies and yummy treats. That's my mom and she's real neat. Oh, 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 who would know? Oh, 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 who would know? I love my mom and she loves me. That's the way it's supposed to be.
Okay, ready for our last song?
Yeah.
What's it called?
My mommy helps me.
My Mommy Helps Me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
My mommy helps me when I'm sick. My mommy helps me when I'm blue. My mommy helps me when I'm sad. So thank you for all that you do. You help, you help, you help me feel so much better, better. You help, you help, you help me be all I can be. Yippee!
All right. So, boys and girls, I'm going to call you up to get your gifts, and you can take your gift to your mom.